8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Ignition.
1.
Lift off, vehicles clear the pad.
And we have liftoff of the Make It Rain mission on Electron. Shortly, the vehicle will come up against max Q, or maximum aerodynamic pressure, where the forces against Electron will hit their peak. So let's listen in for that call.
IP tracking downrange.
Coming up on maximum dynamic pressure. One minute, stage 1 remaining.
Stage 1 propulsion remains nominal.
Shortly, Electron will go through a series of major milestones in quick succession. Starting with main engine cutoff, or MECO, the 9 Rutherford engines on Electron's first stage will shut down in preparation for our first of 2 separations. Following the separation of Electron's first and second stages, we'll see ignition of the vacuum-optimized Rutherford engine on Electron's second stage. Electron's second stage, carrying the kick stage and its payloads, will then continue onto an elliptical orbit.
Power pack CO2 succeeded. 15 seconds remaining.
Entering stage 1 burnout detect mode.
Stage 1 MECO.
Stage separation succeeded.
Stage 1 MECO.
And there goes the fairing. The fairing protects the payloads on the way to orbit, but once we're out of the thicker parts of the atmosphere, we don't really need it anymore. It's just been successfully jettisoned to make way for payload deployment approximately 51 minutes from now.
Stage 2 engine cutoff.
Transfer orbit is nominal.